Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to use transparent widgets in iPhone. While using it, I have found a free application without any advertisements or intrusions. And you can use this application to set your transparent widget on your home screen. You can give a complete new look to your home screen. You can clean up and, keep a minimal number of icons and give little bit of customization to your iPhone home screen. And during the process, if you're not able to successfully configure it, I have also shared a couple of problems that people normally face while using this widget and what is the troubleshooting step that you have to do. The very first thing is you have to go to the App Store and download this empty blank transparent widget. It is a free application and right now it don't have any in-app purchase or anything, but with this application it makes the task of setting the transparent widgets a very simple process. I'll leave a link to that in the description also. I'll pin that in the first comment. You can click and it'll take you to the App Store and you can download it from there. After that, open the application and there you will see a very simple minimal interface which shows light and dark. So the two separate section shows you that you have to add the wallpaper that you're planning to use on your iPhone home screen, either to the light mode or dark mode. Whenever you adjust, it automatically adjusts the background of the widget as well. So here I have configured a wallpaper. It is important, to select a wallpaper that fits your full iPhone screen. That is very, very important. So choose the wallpaper carefully. As you can see, if I have a different background wallpaper, the widget will be clearly visible without any icons or without any tasks. It will simply show the wallpaper that I have configured within the application. So right now I'm heading to the Photos application and I'm setting that as wallpaper. And remember to turn off the perspective zoom and then select set as home screen wallpaper. Here the wallpaper is right now matched, but you can see the widget and the wallpaper is not properly aligned. So before seeing about the alignment, it is important to understand that you can edit the particular widget, the vertical position and horizontal position to make it fit well for the wallpaper. So sometimes even if the wallpaper is perfectly aligned, your widget may look a little bit weird. Make sure the widget, perfectly aligns. You have to long press and edit and then you have to select the vertical position. Either it is top, mid or bottom of the screen, left or right of the screen. So that is important. Next important thing is to align the wallpaper perfectly to your home screen and to match with the widget. So here in the settings wallpaper section, you have to pinch zoom that wallpaper and simply release it. So it automatically adjusts and set the full wallpaper to the home screen. So by default, it could have zoomed. So that is the reason why the widget was not clearly aligned. So this sort of pinch and zoom, will help us to make the wallpaper align perfectly. And then you can set it as home screen wallpaper. So now you can see the alignment is perfectly set with the widget and you're not seeing any overlapping, depending on the wallpaper. Previously it was like this and after we made the changes, it is right now looks like this. Without adding any further widgets to, multiple widgets to that specific transparent widget, it won't be that much useful. So here on the left, I have configured the smart stack and enable the battery widget below. So simply whenever I swipe up, I can see the battery widget and swipe down, the transparent widget gets activated. So long press on any part of the home screen and you can select the second widget that you like to set for your recently added transparent widget. So here I'm selecting Flipboard just to grasp some latest breaking news. And then I have to drag and drop on that specific transparent widget. As you can see, the smart stack is enabled right now. And I can simply drag and drop the widget to the perfect area that it actually aligns with. If you are changing the position, remember to long press it, then edit the specific widget and adjust the horizontal and vertical position to match with the background, either top, mid or bottom. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you to redecorate your home screen. Do try using the clock widget or calendar widget and spice up your home screen. If possible, do share it by uploading the image to IMGUR and share the link below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends at Twitter and Facebook. It may help more people. Thank you and have a wonderful day.